Here's everything you need to know before you start your trip to the land in this Middle Eastern gem. Bahrain may be small in size, but it packs a punch when it comes to culture, hospitality, and adventure. First things first, most nationalities can apply for a Bahrain eVisa online. It's quick, easy, and saves you time at immigration. The local currency is the Bahraini dinar, and while cards are accepted, carry some cash for markets and taxis. Respect the local customs, dress modestly, especially when visiting mosques or heritage sites. Don't miss the historic Bahrain Fort, the mystical Tree of Life, and the stunning National Museum. They're must-visits for every first-timer. And the food? A delicious fusion of Arab, Persian, and Indian flavors. Be sure to try Bahraini makhbouz. Warm people, rich history, and a modern vibe, Bahrain is ready to surprise you. Ready to visit Bahrain? Apply for your Bahrain e-visa today and make your journey hassle-free.